Hey, 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 welcome back to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode 57, and wow, today we're talking about one of the most useful skills in English, how to say sorry and how to explain a problem clearly. Hi, I'm Lily, your cheerful co-host, who believes every mistake is just a chance to practice English.
And I'm Ben, the guy who creates most of those chances. Lily, do you still remember the great coffee disaster of last month? I spilled half a cup on your white notebook. My exact words were, "I'm so sorry, I'm really sorry. What happened was I turned too fast and my elbow hit the mug." Total chaos. But the explanation helps, right?
Yes, it did. You didn't just say sorry and run away, you explained. And that's exactly why we chose this topic for episode 57. Saying sorry plus explaining the problem equals real-life English magic. It works at the shop, with friends, at work, and a taxi, on the phone, everywhere. Today, we'll go slowly, repeat key phrases many times, do several role plays, laugh a little, and help the words stick in your head. Ready to become an apology expert, Ben?
Born ready. Let's begin with the most basic, most important phrase. Everyone, repeat after me, slowly and clearly. I'm sorry. One more time. I'm sorry. Great. Now make it a tiny bit stronger. I'm really sorry. Say it. I'm really sorry. And even stronger, I'm so sorry. Try it. I'm so sorry.
Perfect. I'm sorry is for small things. You bump someone's bag on the bus. I'm sorry. You step on a friend's toe by accident. I'm so sorry. You arrive 5 minutes late. I'm really sorry I'm late. Let's practice right now. Imagine your friend is waiting for you at a cafe. What do you say when you finally arrive?
Easy. Hey, I'm really sorry I'm late. What happened was the bus was stuck in traffic for 20 minutes. See, we already used two powerful phrases, I'm really sorry and what happened was. Repeat after us. What happened was. One more time. What happened was. This little sentence is like a magic key. It opens the door to a good explanation.
Exactly. Just sorry is nice, but sorry plus explanation is much better. It shows you care and you're honest. Another very useful phrase is the issue is. It means the problem is. Say it with me. The issue is. Again, the issue is. Sounds natural and polite, right?
Very natural. Let me give examples. At a restaurant, the waiter says, "I'm really sorry, but the issue is we don't have any more salmon today." Or your colleague, "I'm sorry the report is late. The issue is my computer crashed yesterday evening." Repeat, please. The issue is. Good job.
Now let's level up a little. In more serious or polite situations, we often say, I apologize, instead of, I'm sorry. It sounds a bit more formal. Repeat, I apologize. Once more, I apologize. Let's role play. I'll be an employee who made a mistake at work.
Okay, I'll be the annoyed manager. Go.
Good morning, sir. I apologize for the mistake in the invoice. What happened was I copied the wrong numbers from the old file. I'm really sorry.
Okay, thanks for explaining. Please fix it today.
See how I apologize plus what happened was makes it professional yet friendly. Repeat the key parts. I apologize for the mistake. What happened was.
Listeners, pause the podcast for 10 seconds and say those two sentences out loud 3 times. It really helps your mouth remember.
Great advice, Ben. Okay, next situation. Shopping. Imagine the shop assistant gave you the wrong size or the wrong color. How can the assistant apologize?
Like this. I'm really sorry about the mix-up. The issue is these 2 boxes look almost the same. Mix-up means small mistake, confusion. Repeat, mix-up. And the full phrase, I'm really sorry about the mix-up.
Nice. Now the customer's turn. You want to return something that doesn't work. How do you say politely?
Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you, but this blender stopped working after one day. What happened was I followed the instructions exactly, but it just died. I'm sorry to bother you is super polite. It means sorry for taking your time. Repeat 3 times. I'm sorry to bother you. I'm sorry to bother you. I'm sorry to bother you. Excellent.
Let's do a funny version. Imagine you call your mom at 2 a.m. by accident.
Mom, I'm so sorry to bother you so late. What happened was I pressed the wrong button in my sleep.
Mom, that's okay, just don't do it again. See, explanation plus apology equals forgiveness faster. Another very important phrase is, I didn't mean to. It means it was not on purpose, it was an accident. Repeat, I didn't mean to. Example, I'm so sorry I shouted. I didn't mean to upset you. What happened was I was very stressed.
Upset means make someone sad or angry. Repeat, I didn't mean to upset you. Good. One more. I'm sorry I broke your favorite mug. I didn't mean to drop it. The issue is the handle was already loose.
Listeners, try saying this sentence now. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. Finish it with your own idea. Maybe, I didn't mean to eat your chocolate. Go ahead, speak out loud.
Haha, chocolate emergencies are serious. Okay, next, offering to fix the problem. A wonderful phrase is let me make it up to you. It means let me do something nice so you forgive me. Repeat, let me make it up to you.
Example, I'm really sorry I forgot our movie night. Let me make it up to you. I'll buy the tickets for next weekend.
Or silly version, I'm so sorry I drank the last juice. Let me make it up to you by drinking water instead? No? Okay, I'll buy 2 new bottles tomorrow.
You're terrible, Ben, but funny. Repeat again, everyone. Let me make it up to you. This phrase makes people smile even when they're a bit annoyed.
Now, let's talk about accepting an apology because conversations have 2 sides. When someone says sorry to you, nice answers are, that's okay, no problem, don't worry about it, I understand. Repeat after me, that's okay, don't worry about it. Again, that's okay, don't worry about it. It calms the other person immediately.
Role play time. I'll be your flatmate who forgot to buy milk.
Go.
Ben, I'm really sorry. I completely forgot to buy milk. What happened was I got distracted by a phone call and left the shop without it. I didn't mean to.
That's okay, don't worry about it. The issue is solved. I'll make tea without milk today. Tomorrow, you buy 2 cartons. Deal?
Deal. See how fast it ends when we explain and accept? Key phrases again. I'm really sorry. What happened was I didn't mean to. That's okay, don't worry about it.
Let's do one more role play. This time, a bigger problem. You borrowed my laptop and now the screen is cracked.
Oh no. Ben, I apologize for the damage to your laptop. I'm so sorry. What happened was I put it on the edge of the table and my little cousin ran by and pushed it. I didn't mean for this to happen. Let me make it up to you. I'll pay for the repair.
Ouch. Okay. Thanks for telling me honestly. I understand it was an accident. Let's go to the repair shop together tomorrow.
See? Honesty plus apology plus offer to fix equals friendship saved. Repeat these useful bits. I apologize for the damage. I understand it was an accident. Let's fix it together.
Beautiful. Now another common situation. Phone or video call problems.
I'm so sorry we got disconnected. What happened was my internet signal dropped suddenly.
Or, sorry, I think my microphone was muted. The issue is I pressed the wrong button during the meeting.
Repeat. We got disconnected. My microphone was muted. Very useful for online English lessons or work calls.
And one more. Being late because of something unexpected.
I'm really sorry I'm late for class. What happened was there was a big traffic jam because of an accident on the main road. I didn't mean to miss the beginning.
No problem. I understand. Sit down. We just started.
Listeners, think about your own life. When were you late last time? How could you explain it in English? Pause and practice saying, I'm really sorry I'm late. What happened was...
Good. Now let's add a few more polite variations. I apologize for the inconvenience. Very common in shops, hotels, customer service. Repeat. I apologize for the inconvenience.
Example, hotel receptionist. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. The issue is your room isn't ready yet because the previous guest stayed longer. Let me offer you a free coffee while you wait.
Or delivery guy. I'm so sorry for the delay. The issue is the address was a little hard to find.
Repeat, everyone. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. I'm sorry for the delay.
Small, funny one. Oops, sorry. Use oops for very tiny mistakes, like you knock over a pencil. Oops, sorry.
Oops, sorry I stepped on your shadow. Haha, light and playful.
We've covered so many now. Let's quickly list and repeat the top 12 key expressions. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Or I'm so sorry. I apologize. What happened was, the issue is, I didn't mean to. I'm sorry to bother you. Let me make it up to you. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. That's okay, or no problem. Don't worry about it. I understand. Oops, sorry.
Say each one after us. Repeat the whole list 2 times if you can. It will really help your memory.
One last role play. Restaurant mistake.
Waiter Ben, you brought me chicken instead of fish.
I'm terribly sorry about that. The issue is the chef misheard the order. Let me make it up to you. I'll bring the correct fish right now, and your dessert will be on the house.
Thank you. That's very kind. No problem.
Perfect ending.
Okay, friends, we've practiced a lot today. In episode 57, we learned how to say sorry in many ways. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I apologize. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. We learned how to explain clearly with what happened was and the issue is. We added, I didn't mean to, for accidents. Let me make it up to you to offer something nice, and polite answers like, that's okay, don't worry about it, and I understand.
We did role plays in cafes, at home, at work, on the phone, everything.
The most important thing, practice. This week, try to use at least 3 of these phrases in real life or even in your English chat with a friend. Make a small mistake on purpose and apologize. It's great training.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. If you liked the episode, please give us a like, subscribe, leave a comment with your favorite phrase today, and share with a friend who's learning English too. Keep thinking and speaking in English.
See you in the next episode, and remember, everyone makes mistakes, so everyone needs good apology English. Bye for now.
Bye. Stay positive and keep practicing.